Hello friends, this is a company attendance data. So we need to calculate the attendance of a attendance of employee. If you count one by one, it will take more times and also getting some possibility to getting some error. So in Excel have some function to calculate easy calculate in a simple way. Let's try. Count if and you provide range and put count p present. So see, this is counted 1 2 3 4. This count 1 present 1 2 3. So see the result. This is the very simplest way to count the attendance. This is count if function. Use the count if functions. Thank you.